We're back on the farm. It's a beautiful winter day, but we do have a big snowstorm coming and we're getting prepared for the coming first turn of the greenhouses. Over the winter, while the greenhouses are shut down, we try to get some rest, but there's always work to be done. Mainly, it's addressing any of the issues that have happened with the greenhouses in the previous season, lessons that have been learned. We can make mechanical upgrades, and this is the perfect time when the greenhouses are empty and we've got some downtime to work on these projects. We found that it's really important to take these winter months and collect all the supplies that we'll need for the coming season. So over the last couple of weeks, we've been sourcing all of our potting soil, our pots, irrigation supplies, and everything that's needed for cloning. That way, once we get started, we're not wasting time with random trips to the grow store. The most exciting project of the winter is replacing the raised beds in our North Point greenhouse, which we had grown in for 6 years, but we're now replacing them with rolling benches, which is going to give us 30% more canopy. So we're really excited for that increased production in that house. Now that we have all the materials on site, the next big step is to mix the soils and get our pots filled. That's a big labor push, so we do it in advance. And it also allows us to water the soil, which gives the biology in the soil time to develop before we plant out. The most important piece of the puzzle is our staff and making sure that we have everybody lined up for the coming season. Having a good team that can execute all the work that's coming at us in this season is critical. So we work hard to make sure all of that's lined up before the season starts. In the next episode, we're going to be going over all the plant prep for the coming season. So that'd be the mother plants, cloning, and the vegetative growth cycle before the plants go into the flowering greenhouses.